In today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer funds from Binance to Deriv safely and correctly. Whether you're funding your trading account for Forex, synthetic indices, or CFDs, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you want to make sure that you are logged in for both your account on Deriv and Binance. On Deriv, you need to go to the cashier section or simply go to the deposit section, and then what will happen is you need to choose your coin. Most users prefer the USDT or Tether because this is beginner friendly. Now, this is very important. Make sure you select the correct network. You can select from Tron, Ethereum, Solana, BNB Smart Chain. In this case, we are choosing Tron or TRC20 because it has cheaper fees. You'll be forwarded here. Once selected, Deriv will generate your wallet address. Copy that address carefully. And then let's switch very quickly to Binance. Once you're logged in, go to the dashboard. And then from the dashboard, scroll down until you find the section that says Withdraw. Now, select the same crypto you choose in Deriv, which is going to be USDT or Tether US. All you have to do is paste your Deriv wallet address here. Now select the same network, which is very important. That's going to be Tron or TRC20. Enter the amount that you wanted to transfer, for example, 69. And all you have to do now is click the withdraw. Remember, if you choose the wrong network, your funds may be lost permanently. After entering all the address, click withdraw and complete any security verification like 2FA, email, SMS if enabled, then confirm the transaction. What will happen is Binance will process it and you can track it under the history or blockchain explorer. Wait for the funds to arrive. Now go back to your Deriv wallet account. Check if your funds should appear in the balance. And basically that's it. Now you have successfully learned how to transfer money from Binance to Deriv. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.